Shiban, Meghalaya. It's special and privilege to be here. It's my debut. I'm really thankful to the director and the producers. Special thanks to my friend director Mesh and Monica, Naresh Kumar Sarpal and Anurag Jain and other actors, co-actors who acted us with us. And all the musicians from Chennai, my DOP, all my technical crew, and total almost 127 people all over India, they work for this movie. Thank you so much, and it's a very good first show, and I got love from Meghalaya people. So I hope in the coming days they will come and shower their love to us. Thank you so much, and over to Kathy.
Bijou, people, I Nyngkong, dan New York last year ni improve yang kita ni bagi movie di Sakaweru nakasay pa ni nakanyang ni mikwa ban pat so high people pinyawan wan support dan ni tangkatahi
हुबली शिलोंग यहाँ की ऑडियंस हमें बड़ी अच्छी लगी और अच्छा रिएक्शन हमें आज यहाँ के ऑडियंस का मिला और बहुत अच्छा हमने एंजॉय किया आज का दिन। बहुत अच्छा लगा, आपने मूवी देखी, पसंद की और जल्दी ही हम आपके लिए और भी मूवीज़ लाएंगे ऐसी उम्मीद है, क्योंकि आप लोगों ने हमें पसंद किया है और ऐसे ही अपना प्यार हम लोग को देते रहिए। थैंक यू।
Play Fibaro, play cafe team, but the Pipe Rock and one peg in the film. They are Carpado keep Pipe one peg in the film, and I'm even a shy when she see. They a long film go by internet, they Carpati keep Pipe one Bijou, but Bijou and something. They are Carpati keep Pipe one, but I'm in same.
Meskipun Fiora, Carpado Euro, Pipe or Salva one, the Kubi, they one pet piani film ini. They were one pet danang mesin video, danang laju mat time sepi orang doya video ini acting nama ikat dalam di super bagi film kan buat aja sah. Kita cuba review lah sama.